Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Minimal Lux. My name is Glenn. If you're new here, welcome. The video I have for you today is a short unboxing video of yet another Longchamp item. This time it is for the Le Pliage Keyring or Bagcharm, and not a bag, but nonetheless I am still excited to share it with all of you. I ordered this item directly from the Longchamp website. I believe back in June, the first week of June, when Longchamp was having their annual spring-summer sale. The original price of this particular keyring is $120, but I got it on sale for $84, plus the California sales tax of $8.82. So I paid a total amount of $92.82. So now I'd like to try this keyring slash Bagcharm with some of my Longchamp bags. First up is the Longchamp Rousseau Essential Hobo Bag, which I just recently unboxed on my channel. I have already carried this bag a couple times and I'm really loving it. First I'm going to try to hook it up on the toggle, the front toggle closure. It looks okay, but I think it's a bit weird placement for a Bagcharm. Now I'm going to try and put it on either side of the shoulder strap. It definitely looks way better than when it is positioned in the center of the bag. So the next bag that I'm going to be trying it on is my Le Pliage tote bag in the size medium and in the color khaki. I love this bag and I don't think I'll ever get rid of it, as this is one of two Longchamp bags that I purchased on my very first trip to Paris in January of 2020. The charm looks pretty good on this bag. I like the color contrast, but with the bag having a gold hardware and the charm having silver hardware, it would bother me. Now the next bag that I'm going to be trying it on is my Longchamp Le Pliage original top handle bag in the size small and in the color chestnut. This is from the green line, which I purchased the summer of last year. I can immediately tell that this Bagcharm will pair perfectly with this bag, as the bag has the same silver hardware as the Bagcharm. And oh my god, I love the contrast of color. I just think it looks super cute on this bag. What do you think? The fourth Longchamp bag that I'm going to be trying the Bagcharm on is my Longchamp Cavalcade Crossbody bag. This is in the color Pearl and is croc embossed. Even though this bag has gunmetal hardware, I think this will pair okay with the Bagcharm. So let's see. Looks okay to me. It's not the best charm to pair with this bag, but it looks fine. The next bag would be my Longchamp Rousseau Essential Bucket Bag in the color Saffron. This bag also has the gunmetal hardware, but I think it'll pair okay. Looks pretty good hanging on the side of this bag, but not the best looking one to pair this with. And the last bag that I would like to try the Bagcharm on is my Longchamp Essential 12 tote bag in the size large. Even though I don't carry this bag that often, I love this bag. Well, I think it's another perfect pairing.